Alright, we have this equation that we want to solve. That means we want to make x the subject. That is, have x is equal to something, some numbers. So this is an equation, meaning the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and we mustn't change that. So everything we do to the left hand side, we have to do to the right hand side too. So how do we make x a subject? First thing is to get rid of this x divided by 3. And since 3 is dividing, what we'll do to get rid of it is to multiply this side by 3. And we have to also do the same thing here. So that will give us 3 times 2 plus 3 times x over 3 is equal to 3 times 1 minus 3 times 2x. And the reason we are doing that is just so that we can cancel out this 3, leaving 1. And 1 times x is x. And we have 6 here is equal to 3 minus 6x. So this equation is equal to this equation. We haven't really changed anything, just done some manipulation. The next thing we do is get rid of this 6 so that the x stands alone. And since this 6 is adding, what we need to do is subtract 6 from this side, and we need to do the same thing on this side, so that this plus 6 and this minus 6 will give 0. And 0 plus x will leave x. We have 3 minus 6x minus 6. Okay. And now let's simplify. X is equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3. We have this minus 6x. And the last thing we'll do is get this 6x, get rid of this 6x by adding 6x to both sides, just so that this minus 6x and this 6x go to 0, and we are left with 7x is equal to minus 3. And lastly, to get rid of this 7, we divide both sides by 7, so that this 7 can cancel out the 7, and we have x is equal to minus 3 over 7. So the answer is B.